The sudden body jerk that occurs just as a person is falling asleep is known in neuroscience as a hypnic jerk, also called a sleep start. It is a well-documented physiological reflex, not a dream, not anxiety, and not a neurological disorder in most cases. Population-based sleep studies show that 60% to 70% of adults experience hypnic jerks at least occasionally, while 10% experience them frequently. The phenomenon occurs during the transition from wakefulness to stage 1 non-REM sleep, when the brain rapidly shifts control between neural systems. During sleep onset, the brain begins to deactivate motor neurons, lower heart rate, reduce muscle tone, and suppress voluntary movement. At the same time, the vestibular system, which controls balance and spatial orientation, is still partially active. This temporary mismatch creates a conflict. Electrophysiological recordings show that muscle tone can drop by 30 to 40% within seconds during sleep onset. In some individuals, the brain misinterprets this sudden relaxation as a loss of posture or falling sensation. From an evolutionary standpoint, this response is extremely old. Anthropological and evolutionary neuroscience models suggest that early primates sleeping in trees needed a rapid reflex to prevent falling. The hypnic jerk is believed to be a vestigial survival reflex, designed to instantly activate muscles when the brain detects sudden loss of control. Neurochemical activity also plays a major role. As sleep begins, levels of serotonin and norepinephrine decrease, while GABA activity increases to suppress movement. In some brains, this neurochemical shift happens unevenly. The motor cortex may momentarily fire before full inhibition occurs, producing a sudden muscle contraction. Several external factors significantly increase hypnic jerk frequency. Clinical sleep research identifies caffeine, nicotine, sleep deprivation, intense evening exercise, and high stress levels as major triggers. Caffeine, for example, has a half-life of 5 to 7 hours, meaning it can still stimulate neural activity long after consumption. EEG studies show that hypnic jerks are often accompanied by brief bursts of alpha and theta brainwaves, indicating unstable sleep stage boundaries. This instability explains why hypnic jerks often occur with a sensation of falling, flashing images, or a sudden gasp. Importantly, hypnic jerks are considered benign in healthy individuals. They are not linked to epilepsy, neurodegeneration, or sleep disorders unless they occur excessively or disrupt sleep architecture over long periods. In short, the body jerks during sleep onset because the brain briefly misclassifies normal muscle relaxation as a threat to survival. The reflex is not a malfunction, but a primitive safety mechanism still embedded in modern human neurology.